She's so cute.
There's our first one.
Out pops the head, out pops the body. Did you turn it off?
Hey, Pumpkin.
Hey, Pumpkin dude.
Every time I try to look at the duck, I can't hold the camera straight.
Hi, Pumpkin dude.
Hey, sweetie.
We don't know what we're gonna name her. We have a lot of names on our chart. Don't know what we're gonna name her yet.
Oh, yeah, she is kind of stuck to the back of the egg.
I know. Oh, she needs help getting out.
Okay, hold on. I think her tail is stuck to the egg, but I don't know if I'm supposed to help or not. Oh, yeah, I see it. Okay, hold on.